Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Suvega. I would like to thank all our subscribers, followers, likers who are somehow loyal to our channel, Tony Suvega. Josephine Katindig, Robert Cerezo, George Robles Policarpio, Ana Macaisa, Arnold Villano, and to those who want their names be shout out at this channel, please just comment below. Today is the 6th of November, 2023, and it is a Monday, the day of the dragon. Dragon is yang, male, earth, mountain, Ken, Gen, and its color is purple, violet, lavender. The hilly part, the mountainous part. And for the day, the best activities should be going uphill or going to an elevated or uprise building, like those buildings in Makati area or in Mandaluyong. Or if you're outside the country, the Philippines, the best is to go to Burj Khalifa or go to skyscraper in New York or in Manhattan. Since the dragon is associated or aligned or in friendship with the monkey and the rat, best time to go to a water place like jacuzzi, swimming pool, or go by the beach. And also traveling by airplane, by bus, by taxi, by motorboat, or by boat, or by ship. In this way, you are being energized by these activities. Lunes, ika-6 ng Nobyembre 2023. Ngayong araw na ito ay araw ng dragon. Sa araw na ito, pinaka-the best na ang isuot ay white. All shades of white. Beige, cream, off-white, taupe. At ang mga gawain ay ang pagpunta sa mga lugar na matataas. Building, gusali. Kung nasa Maynila ka, maganda siguro magpunta ka sa Rufino Building sa Ayala. Kung nasa labas ka naman ng Pilipinas, halimbawa bandang UAE or United Arab Emirates, pinaka-the best magpunta dun sa Burj Khalifa. O yung nandito sa may lugar ng Malaysia, yung magkarugpong na tower. Pero maraming matataas na building sa lugar ng New York, sa Manhattan lalo na. At dahil na rin ang triad ni Dragon ay ang rat at saka ang monkey, pinaka-the best din yung magbiyahe, sumakay ng eroplano, vapor, bangka, bus, jeep, at pumunta sa isang body of water kagaya ng jacuzzi, swimming pool, o mismo sa beach o sa playa. Binabati natin ang ating mga subscribers, likers, followers, mga nagko-comment sa atin, sila Josephine Katindig, Arnold Villano, Ana Macaisa, at lahat ng mga hindi pa nababati natin dito, na mag-comment lang kayo. Yan, kasama na sila John Tover Cruz, Robert Cerezo, at binabati ko rin ang CEO ng GrainSmart na si Benjamin Joseph Batak. Congratulations sa mga ginagawa niyong project na yun. Pag nakakakilos na ako ng malaya, sasabihan kita, Ben, kung tayo ay magtatrabaho na uli. Si Judy Garucha. Hanggang sa muli.